Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Rails token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Rails is a financial infrastructure blockchain designed to connect traditional finance trade FI with decentralized finance DFI. The project combines a compliant public EVM chain with a network of private institution hosted blockchains to enable secure, regulated asset tokenization and cross-market settlement by aligning the privacy, compliance, and control requirements of financial institutions with the programmability and liquidity of DeFi. Rails seeks to provide a unified ecosystem for tokenized assets and institutional capital flows. Rails token total supplies 10 billion and circulating supplies around 1.5 billion RLS token. RLS token is listed on Coinbase exchange, Binance Alpha and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a really to a good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.